degrees. But again, those peak wind gusts for today, upwards of 35 miles per hour. And we'll still see that wind advisory in effect through much of tomorrow and even leading into early Tuesday. Tomorrow morning, those wind gusts still at about 25 to 30 miles per hour. We'll continue to see that on and off through the day, even through Tuesday morning before we start to see all of this die down in terms of our winds. Now, as far as the rain showers, it's going to be coming and going. Unfortunately, those winds also will be elevating the avalanche danger. So an avalanche watch in effect throughout this year, all the way along 395 towards Mono County. Snow level stays fairly consistent. It goes up to about 7,000 feet for tonight, and then comes down to about 6,000 feet in general Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Our big risk days, though, are going to be Monday and Tuesday, with the risk of severe weather as well as the heaviest Sierra snow. Temperatures for today warm out ahead of that cold front in the 60s to near 70 for the valley, 40s up top for the Sierra. And here you can see that low pressure system, that counterclockwise circulation just pulling in that moisture. Also just a little bit of that warmer feel as well. Those weather systems tend to be a little bit more moisture laden, giving us higher rainfall totals, about 1 inch to 2 inches in the valley, close to that for the foothills. And we'll see that all the way through our Wednesday afternoon for the Sierra snow. We're going to be picking up anywhere from about 10 inches down low to almost 3 feet at some of the peaks. And again, the timeline takes us through tomorrow with areas of rain. It's going to be a real slushy mix at the lower elevations for the Sierra. It's not until we get some of that colder air working in that will bring down that snow level a little bit. This isn't a super cold storm that's going to be heading our way. There'll be more of that, though, as we head deeper into the forecast. As our storm track starts to shift ever so slightly, we'll pull in some of that cooler Pacific air. So in the meantime, tomorrow, it's pretty much going to be on and off rain showers. 30s up top for the Sierra with snow, 40s and 50s down low with the potential of thunderstorms through the foothills, 60s along the coast. And we'll see as we head inland, we're still going to be looking at highs in the 60s for tomorrow with that risk of thunderstorms pretty much on and off throughout the entire day. So our Monday forecast calls for unsettled weather. We'll continue that into our Tuesday as well. The coastal communities looking at that chance of thunderstorms and then rain through our Wednesday outlook. It's going to be a really active start to the work week. School week doesn't start until Tuesday because of President's Day. And then at the end of next weekend, likely we're going to be calling for another chance of rain and snow.
Okay, in the meantime, Monica, you know, an old chain installer gave me his 2 rules for driving in the snow.
Oh.
Number 1 was don't.
No.
Don't do it. Number 2 was if you have to, just go slow.
Yeah, there you go.
Pretty simple rules.
Good
Thank
advice.
you. I know.